In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix can't move anything in Canva. If you're clicking around in your design and nothing will budge. The most common cause is that the element you're trying to move is locked. Canva has a lock feature that keeps items in place so you don't accidentally shift them. It's helpful when you're laying out a design, but it can be confusing if you don't realize something is locked. Let's walk through how to check for that and unlock it in just a few seconds. First, open your project in Canva so you can see your design on the canvas. Make sure you're actually selecting the element you want to move: an image, a text box, a shape, or any graphic. Click directly on it. When it's selected, you should see a bounding box or handles appear around it, and the top toolbar will show options related to that item. Now look for a small padlock icon. You might see it right on the selected element's little toolbar, or up in the main toolbar at the top of the screen. If that padlock appears closed or highlighted, that means the element is locked. A locked element won't move, rotate, or resize. It's basically pinned to the canvas until you unlock it. To fix the issue, simply click the padlock icon to unlock it. The moment you do, the element becomes editable again. Try dragging it to a new position. You should now be able to move it freely, resize it using the corner handles, or rotate it as needed. If it still feels stuck, click the element one more time to confirm it's selected and make sure the lock icon is no longer active. A quick tip while you're selecting: if you keep clicking but nothing selects, zoom in a bit so you can precisely click the element. For text boxes, try clicking once on the box edge rather than double-clicking into the text. You're aiming to select the whole object so the toolbar and lock icon appear. Remember, unlocking doesn't change your design's appearance. It just restores control so you can move things around. If you used locking earlier to keep a layout steady, you can always lock it again later the same way by clicking the padlock. That's really all there is to it. Open your project, click the element you want to move, look for the padlock, and click it to unlock. Once it's unlocked, you're back in full control of your design. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!